we're learning that the Prime Minister has posted on social media. A reaction has come in from Prime Minister as well. He has condoled the demise of Ajit Pawar, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister, and he's remembered the service to Maharashtra as well. Let me take you through what Prime Minister has posted. He has said, and I quote, Ajit Pawarji was a leader of the people, having a strong grassroots level connect. He was widely respected as a hard-working personality at the forefront of serving the people of Maharashtra. His understanding of the matters and the passion for empowering the poor and downtrodden were also noteworthy. His untimely demise is very shocking and saddening. Condolences to the families and countless admirers. Om Shanti, and this is what Prime Minister has posted on social media. Let me go across to my colleague Rucha, who's been tracking all the details. Rucha, take us through what really happened at the time of the incident, because we heard the reaction coming in from the eyewitnesses. They're saying that the plane tried to land at the runway, but it failed. So what are the authorities saying on this?
Well, till now, we do not have any official confirmation on what went wrong during the incident, but we are learning that the plane tried to have an emergency landing, and right around the airport, just few meters away from Baramati airport, the plane tried to land in an emergency during which this incident has taken place. And with the visuals, we can see it is a mountain area, it is a hilly area, and on open ground the plane crashed, and immediately help was called. The ambulance also rushed to the spot, but it was too late because the intensity of crash was very hard. That is why nobody has survived from the incident, and the DGCA confirmed around 9:30 that all 6 people who were on board, including Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, as well as his personal assistants, as well as the plane crew, has lost their lives in the tragic incident. And now we are seeing movement at Sharad Pawar's residence at Silver Oak, which is at Bridge Candy, Mumbai, and high police deployment can be seen. Sharad Pawar is expected to leave for Baramati soon. The entire family is now reaching Baramati. Rohit Pawar, who is the nephew of Ajit Pawar, has already reached the hospital, and he was seen in tears, as well as the wife of Ajit Pawar, Sunetra Pawar, who is also an MP, was in Delhi along with Supriya Sule. Now they will also be leaving, as well as the Ajit Pawar's son Parth Pawar is also in Delhi. Entire family will now be traveling to Baramati, and the rituals, the further rituals will take place. And this is very saddening and very shocking for the political field of Maharashtra, because Ajit Pawar was someone who had close ties with all the leaders, maybe anyone from the government or from the opposition. Ajit Pawar has closely worked with everyone, and everyone is sharing their memories with Ajit Pawar, how he was known as someone who was always available for the poor, for the farmers. Especially if we talk about his work, he started his morning at 4:30, and his programs were always scheduled from early morning to night. He was always on ground, and especially for farmers, he is the most followed leader in Maharashtra by the rural Maharashtra. And we are seeing
कि ये जो दुख आया है, इसकी सहन करने की शक्ति मिले।
आज से बजट सत्र सर शुरू हो रहा है। सर उत्तर प्रदेश